Good morning, Sister Mabel. It's good to see you again. When you're playing with your organ, you please all the men. As you can see, the Big Brother crew has let us in the house to preach to all of you. I'm amazed at the size of this auditorium. Them big city preachers, this auditorium. It's got lots of pews and a balcony too, and loudspeakers to carry my message to you. Now all you house guests are in the congregation. Now I don't want to see no altercation. I see Brother Dick, you're in the crowd. Now please restrain yourself and don't you be loud. Please, Dick, will you take it outside? The rest of us here have no place to hide. I see Sister Jen sitting next to Dick. You're looking kind of pale, dear. Are you feeling sick? Now, Brother Dick is a-sitting there smoking. I can't believe it. Are you joking? Can we get some ointment for Sister Jen's hand? Brother Dick is the meanest man in all of this land. Brother Eric, Sister Jess, stop it now and beg the Lord's forgiveness. Brother Zach has just arrived. When he was around, no one cared, but now he's head of household, and they're all running scared. Sister Amber, your religious act we ain't buying. You were evicted for all your crying. Hold it, Sister Amber. I'm getting a vision. God says your eviction was his decision.
Now leave me alone, Amber.
God bless you, God. I see Sister Danielle looking all frustrated. What's the matter, hon? Are you constipated?
Whatever. I hate this house.
There's Sister Jamaica, kneeling and praying. She's a religious fanatic, some folks are saying. The Big Brother crew is telling me to stop. So let's go, Sister Mabel, for they make us eat slop. This service has ended. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Thank you.